Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of making money online, right here in the USA. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra cash on the side or pursue a full-time online career, there are countless opportunities waiting for you. So let's get started. First up, we have freelancing platforms like Upwork and Freelancer. These sites connect businesses with talented freelancers for projects ranging from writing and graphic design to programming and marketing. If you have a skill to offer, freelancing can be a lucrative way to make money online. Next, let's talk about the gig economy. Apps like Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash allow you to earn money on your own schedule by providing rides, deliveries, or other services. With the flexibility to work whenever you want, the gig economy is perfect for those looking to make extra cash without committing to a traditional job. Another popular option is starting your own online business. Whether you're selling handmade crafts on Etsy or dropshipping products on Shopify, e-commerce offers endless opportunities for entrepreneurs to thrive in the digital age. With a bit of creativity and hard work, you can turn your passion into profit. Of course, let's not forget about affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services through your website, blog, or social media channels, you can earn a commission for every sale you generate. With the right strategy and audience, affiliate marketing can be a highly lucrative venture. Lastly, remote work has become more accessible than ever before. Many companies now offer remote positions, allowing employees to work from the comfort of their own homes. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or customer service representative, there's a remote job out there for you. And there you have it. Just a few of the many ways to make money online in the USA. Whether you're looking for flexibility, creativity, or stability, the internet offers endless opportunities for those willing to seize them. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring your options today and unlock your earning potential online.